Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX. And for this repair series, this is one is fairly different. This is a smoke tracer uh, Spitfire uh, smoke tracer Spitfire suppressor toy, which was broken. Uh, it was not lighting earlier. This was owned by Sir. What's this one? Neil Navigar. This was sent just this morning, and I got lucky. And it was a common issue regarding how Chinese manufacturing has their defects, so it was a little bit easy. Okay, first things first. Uh, the to zoom in. Uh, this is basically a glorified. This is the tracer module. Tracer is here. The lights are there. And this is the control. No, the tracer module is here. Light sensor is there. And this is basically the separate controller slash battery for the vape machine. Because this is a liquid container. It's very sticky. There's an actual coil. There's power here. There's a nichrome coil, most probably nichrome coil there, and a wick. This is actual the mechanical bit. There's a wick regarding this one, and a fan that blows it outside. Okay. The problem with this unit was, oh, it was activating. Uh, there was no power, no lights. At first, I thought it was the batteries, but after checking, they both have 4 volts. So 4 point something, 4.1 something. So I know that they have power. So this is charging this one. But it's still not working. So I did the usual troubleshooting techniques. Check the contacts for more zoom. Contacts, oh, my nails are dirty. Contacts are dirty, in which they are, because this is a bait machine, and depending on how you store it, it's better to store it like this. Because this leaks. Uh, there were residue here and here. So I did some cleaning with denatured alcohol and my handy dandy toothbrush. So after cleaning, check voltages, still no power. So then I gone through the zoom and check the solders, because as you can see, this is a right angle, 90-degree angle, and this is soldered. And this is a toy. And if you are in electronics, it's a very bad combinations, because solder tend to get destroyed when there's movement. Let's see, can I still zoom in? Yes. Uh, During the checking, it's now fixed now. There were some broken solder joints around here. So using my soldering iron, I check clean first, then carefully solder the broken ones. And as a precaution, I did the resolder also here while the battery is disconnected, so there's no risk of explosion because there are 2 batteries and I don't want to do shorts. And after that, it magic, when I applied the power, enabled the fan, it powered off. So where's my special, actually anything will work. Some out and see. And smoke. And it's now working. With combination with my long years of troubleshooting stupid cheap toys from China, it came in handy and got fixed. And that's it for this repair series. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section. Comment section down below, down above, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!